Boopity boo.
And hello there, gaming fans. Welcome to my hideout. I am your host, the Horde! Back with another gameplay video for your entertainment today. And today, we have finally gone full circle. Recently, I have played the role as a criminal. I have played the role as a detective. And today, we finish the circle with me playing...
You are the judge!
Except you're not, I am. I am the judge, yeah? I get to decide what happens to these pesky law-breaking characters that have been hauled in front of the courts, standing before me for my judgment. And as a judge of Cobard Court, we have to solve complex cases. I mean, surely that's the work of the detectives. I suppose I have to look at complex cases and come to sound judgment. That's not going to happen. And they are inspired by actual events. So maybe if I recognise them, I can get a bit of a heads up and do the right thing. And as a judge, our decisions will directly affect, obviously, the people that we judge, but also the lives of others around us. There may be difficult decisions to make for my family, the country, and life in general. What kind of judge will I be? Probably a bad one that no one wants to stand up against. And I don't think there's anything else to say. I want to get into that courtroom and start deciding people's fate and being a dick.
Oh, look at that. We've got some stuff coming soon as well. Cobard Court, please. What's the quote? Right is right, even if everyone is against it, and wrong is wrong, even if everyone is for it. I mean, in that case, maybe we should think about changing the rules. That sounds fairer. In your youth years, we have to develop who I am. In your youth years, there would be quite a lot of protests against the government in your country. And this case, what did I used to do? I used to participate because I hate the government and everything they do. They are corrupt and pricks. You had to choose a university and you made your choice. I found that protesting against politics got me nowhere, so I went into the law to try and screw them over via the back door. You like a girl named Mary in law school. Now it's time to share your feelings with her. Well, I can do that. We'll tell her that we loved her. That's sharing our feelings. After college, you married Mary. Hang on, I wanted a fucking choice. I just wanted to bang her through college and then dump her. I didn't want marriage. God damn it. As a result of your happy marriage with Mary, you have 2 sons. That's it. Tied down for life now. Going nowhere. Fuck. Mary told you you would be a great father. Did they come at the same time? Did I get to prove that I could be a great father before she told me I would be? After graduating from law school, you started working as a lawyer. You chose the field you specialise in. Criminal law. Send down those politician bastards. That's what we're doing. Although you had difficulty finding free time, you were happy to spend Sundays with your family. You would visit your spouse and children every Sunday. Well, I don't live with them. I only give them Sundays. I'm not taking them to church, man. This is the only chance I get to see my wife and child. Let's go to the cinema where we don't have to talk to each other. Great idea. After practicing law for a long time, one of your best friends, Henry, encouraged you to take the judge's exams. After you brought this subject up to your wife, Mary, you saw her as a little worried. When you ask Mary about the reason for her anxiety, she says, "Is there something you want? Are you sure you won't neglect the children and me even more?" Asked the question, and you too. This would never be a problem for her or our children. Mary said, although she didn't fully address her concerns, she would support and always be there for you. Thank you, Mary. I promise to do the same for you. And the long-awaited day came. Henry, your wife Mary, and the children were waiting for the results to be announced. While waiting for the results, I was excited, man. Henry comes to you and says, "I believe you have succeeded. From now on, a whole new life begins for you," he whispered sexually into my ears. I could feel his hot breath. Hang on, wait, carry on. With the announcement of the results, you learned that your career as a judge has begun. Everyone in the house was in great joy. Mary looked a little thoughtful, but she couldn't help but rejoice. Well done, Mary. Thanks for coming through at the end there. While you were excited about your first day of duty, you heard the horn of your driver coming from outside to take you to the office. After kissing Mary with plenty of tongue, you took your bag and set off for the office. And now I get to pick my character. Fucking hell. Why do I look so old? I thought I'd only advanced 30 years. Why do I look like I'm fucking 80? Right, this guy's the youngest one. Let's have a look what we've got. More money, Supreme Court relation, no government relation. I hate the government, of course. That could be me. Society relation and government relation. Unfortunately, as young as he is, the whippersnapper. That can't be me. He doesn't like governments either. More money, society relation. Okay. Less punishment, less money, No government relation, no Supreme Court relation. I mean, that guy seems like he's been fucked over there. More money, government relation, no thanks. Less punishment, and he's got no relations with everyone. Everyone fucking hates this guy. Right, I think we're picking this one. More money, society relation, no government relation. That is me. That is my judge. The notepad on your computer can provide you with important clues about your relationship. If I need to go to a notepad for clues on my relationships, I'd say they're already fucked. What? Season 2? That had me quite confused, because to me, that is the 10th of September. It really means the 9th of October. So we are going Cobard Border Command versus Bowden Bell, a human trafficking case. Fucking hell. We're getting straight in there with the juicy ones. Yes, come on. I wanted to go against the government, man. I don't want human trafficking. What if they were fucking hell? Why am I in a house? I didn't expect this. I thought I was just going to get some wanky courtroom simulator. It's not. Got a whole damn house to walk through. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. Mary, you've got to change this decoration. It's shit. Mary, are you in here? Why have you got two different kind of doors? That's a bit weird. That's the front door. That's the exit. Right, so I've got an office where I play chess. Apparently with no one, because no one else lives here. Or the guitar. Hello, Mary. Children, are you here? It looks like they've left already. Where do they fucking sleep, man? Whose room's this? Is this the kids? Yeah, this is the kids' room. One sleeps in the bath, one sleeps in the toilet. Do I live by myself? Has my family left me? Fuck it, let's go to the office. Yeah, I'm sure. That's my fucking task, man. Wouldn't be much of a judge simulator if I just sat at home, playing chess, playing the guitar and crying, writing songs about my family leaving me. Hello, you need to complete a few steps to set up your system. Every fucking time with this. Skip it! Skip it! Select a profile picture. I did that, man. I'm Richard Anderson. Oh, we're going to have the actual one because that's serious. That's what a judge would have. If a judge would have any of these, I would deem them not serious and no respect for any decisions they make. Next, please set your password. Law is cool. Can't have that. Can have Law I. All right, Law I. Beautiful. Welcome. Okay, right, we've got some shit going on here. Hey, look, Twitter. Not X, Twitter. Fuck you. News. Well, I don't really care about this, man. Oh, we've got the Times. Oh, we've got the Today. A long period of military rule transitioned to a new government. Hey, wonder what they're like. Maybe they're not pricks after all. Whoa, what's this shit? I may need to meet with the Prime Minister more often. I should work on improving our relationship. Yeah, probably. My relationship with the Supreme Court is quite good. It doesn't seem like I'll have any problem these days. Great news. The number of people who love me among the public is greater. I think this will sustain me for a while. Fantastic. My spouse gets angry with me occasionally, but for now, our relationship is manageable. Now, our relationship is at 80%. It can't get much better, yeah? And she's already angry with me. What happens when it falls 10%? Does she stop beating me when I go home from work? Next, human trafficking case. I have sent you the documents regarding the next lawsuit. Great. Welcome to your new duty. Great. What's on Twitter? Judge Richard. Yeah, they love me. Judge Richard Anderson is criticised for his weak leadership. And he's fucking started. You bitch. Right, we're going to send her to prison if she comes before me. Let's close this shit down. Where are my fucking documents, man? Law. I don't want to read that. It's too big. These documents about the case. The Cobard Border Command accuses one of its officers of engaging in human trafficking at the border. They claim the officer unlawfully smuggled migrants into the country during their working hours and profited from it. Sick bastard, yeah? On the other hand, the officer on duty, Bowden Bell, vehemently denies these allegations and refuses to acknowledge any connection with human traffickers. All right, got anything else? Is that it? Is that what I've got to go on? Oh shit, wait, click on the flag. Why? Oh, that just tells me about the country. Don't care. What else? Examine the Constitution book. This big bastard. No, I've already said that. Examine the phone. iPhone. Pre-trial. Okay, task's done. Pre-trial. Yes, I'm sure I want to go to the pre-trial hearing. I get the feeling that this is going to be quite a serious game. I don't know if I'm going to cut it as a judge. Let's talk to this serious-looking fellow. It's the plaintiff's lawyer, Mark Harris. The Cobard Border Command, my client, aims to ensure the security of our country's borders. Therefore, they prevent unauthorized crossings. Got it. However, it has been established that the defendant, who works at the border outpost, allowed migrants without entry permits into the country during their working hours with pre-arranged human traffickers. I know this. Tell me something I don't fucking know. For this reason, we request their prosecution. Got it, yeah, fine. I understand. I need to talk to the woman. Is that his lawyer? Rebecca White. My client, Bowden Bell, serves at the border outpost under the Cobard Border Command. My client has a deep love for their homeland and nation. Therefore, they vehemently deny any engaging in any activities beyond the scope of their job description. It loves a fucking vehemently. It loves chucking one of these in. What's this bollocks? Why did they both say my client has no objection regarding the case? Go case. Alright. Fuck knows what that was about. Go case. That's it. We go. Fuck. Shit, it's got serious now. We're in court. What the fuck? Choose a card? Oh, this one. Your relationship with the government will increase by 5 points. No! That's not what we want. I hate those bastards. No, wait. It's a new government. These are the good guys. Examine the case file. Examine the pre-trial... Fucking wait, Judge Richard. Examine the pre-trial hearing records. Check the list. Examine the cost. I've done all this shit. I've done it all. Why do I have to do it again? Fuck it. Right. Is this the case file? Evidence. We've got some security camera footage. Got 2 witnesses. Beautiful. Didn't tell me anything new. Did. Told me I had evidence and witnesses. Prick. The plaintiff was heard. The defendant was heard. Right, I need to make sure all these things are done. Do I? Fine. Got it. Can I turn my lamp on? Come on, man. I think that's a microphone, you twat. That's right. It is. That was a test. Check the Constitution. Brilliant. Got it. Whatever. Examine the pre-trial hearing records. Where the fuck are they? Is that this? It says pre-trial on it. I guess so. Yeah, whatever. Fine. Examine the tablet. Yeah, it's a tablet. Examine the menu. Done. Now what? Smack my fucking hammer. Let me smack my hammer. Yeah, come on. I'm fucking done. The evidence was examined. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Right. I've only done 4 and 6. I need to do the rest. Right. The plaintiff was heard. Talk. Plaintiff, start fucking talking, mate. Come on, Mark. Fucking get on with it. Oh, shit. Do I have to ask something? Judge Richard has to talk. According to the allegations, what activity did the defendant engage in during their working hours? Work. According to the allegations, the defendant engaged in smuggling. Yes, that's right. The defendant says work. The prosecution alleges he is a people smuggler. Who the fuck are you? How dare the audience stand up in my courtroom and start shouting, "Get them out!" Oh, I walloped my fucking hammer. Order in the court! Get the fuck out! Continue. Without entry permits by making agreements with human traffickers during their working hours. I know. Come on, get to the good stuff. When can I give him the death sentence? Next. What evidence have we got? Do I get to see this fucking evidence? I want to see the CCTV footage. Yeah, I know. You've got security camera footage. Should I read it out loud? I should read it out loud. The Cobard Border Command supports the allegations of human trafficking against the defendant with evidence such as security camera footage and records. Don't I see it now? Do I have to ask all these wank questions first? Could you explain what kind of punishment is being requested? In accordance with the allegations, we request that the defendant be prosecuted for human trafficking and sentenced accordingly. Is that it? You're not going to request a sentence? Come on. Could have done a deal. Right, Bowden Bell, what? End the listening. Got it. The conversation is being ended. Right, Defendant Bowden Bell, let's hear from you. Were the tasks you performed at the border outpost within your job description?
Yes, the tasks I performed at the border outpost were within my job description and aimed at ensuring the security of our homeland.
Great. Do you vehemently deny the allegations of human trafficking?
Yes, I absolutely deny them. I have no connection or involvement in human trafficking.
That's convinced me. You're free to go. Not really. How do you evaluate the evidence presented by Cobard Border Control?
I believe the evidence presented by the Cobard Border Control is not accurate. I am innocent and not guilty.
Don't believe you? Sit down. You're going to need more than that, mate. Witness Andrew Turner. This is one of the soldiers. Come on, give me some fucking... You don't look like a soldier. Why aren't you in dress uniform, you prick? I reckon this is just his pizza delivery guy, man. He's got him to stand up for him. No, he's a witness. He's gonna grass him up. He obviously didn't tip well. Can you confirm that you worked at the border outpost with the defendant?
Yes, we were both stationed at the same border outpost.
I apologise that that's his voice, but that's his voice. In your opinion, could the defendant have smuggled unauthorised migrants during their working hours?
I did not notice such a situation, and I have no knowledge that such a thing could have occurred.
I thought you were a witness, you fucking idiot. Do you know what witness means? It means you witnessed something. Did you notice any suspicious behaviour or actions related to the defendant working at the border outpost?
No, I did not notice any suspicious behaviour or action.
This prick's been paid off. Get out of my court, you idiot. Jeffrey, step the fuck up. This guy doesn't like a soldier either. I mean, if he is, he's a really old one. Surely you should be retired by now, Jeffrey. According to the allegations, could the defendant have cooperated with human traffickers?
According to the allegations, I have no evidence or information to suggest a collaboration.
This witness is... He's 45? Fuck off. He's not 45. During your time at the border, did you observe any activity such as human trafficking?
During my time at the border, I did not observe any activity relating to...
Why have you called these witnesses? They're shit. They've absolutely destroyed your case. How do you perceive the defendant's defence against the allegations?
I understand the defendant's defence against the allegations, but I cannot make any comments on this matter as I do not have any concrete information.
Thank you very much, Jeffrey. Get the fuck out of my courtroom. Go and have a lie down. You look like you're about to die of old age. Right, what next? I've heard all of these. Where's the fucking evidence I need to examine? Evidence E. Right, what's this shit? This is the security camera footage. Oh, play. Oh, here we go. It's loading. Right, that's 2 people sneaking in. That's a 3rd person sneaking in. That's a 4th person sneaking in. That's a 5th one. And that's a 6th one. I think what's happened is this is on a loop. I think this is going to go on indefinitely. But I don't know for sure, so I didn't end it. Why does it tell me how long this fucking footage lasts? These fucking guys are just appearing out of nowhere. Is that it? I don't want to watch it again. Fuck off. I mean, that showed me nothing. They just snuck in. No one fucking helped them. Is that it? Is that your case? That's fucking paper thin. How did that even make it to court? Decision. Wait, law. Have a look at the fucking law. Come on, prick. Article 713. Any individual or organisation that transports people across borders through illegal means commits the offence of human trafficking. Perpetrators of human trafficking are punished according to the national and international regulations. The court makes a fair judgment by examining the extent of the offence and responsibility. Now, this guy, from the evidence and the witnesses, is not guilty. So there's only one decision I can come to. Yes, I'm fucking sure. Unbelievable. Get that hammer ready. The Deputy DA's opinion, the testimonies of the witnesses involved in the case may affect the content of the case. People pay you for that opinion? They fucking shouldn't. What's this? He's not got a criminal record. He's never done anything fucking wrong. The sides and witnesses were heard in the court and the evidence presented was examined. The guy is innocent, but unfortunately, I'm a dick. You're going to prison. How long can we do? 100 years, you prick. Plaintiff won. Yes. They like that, didn't they? $600 in savings. I got paid $150. I have to pay for rent. $40 rent? That's a fucking bargain. Is that per day? That's less of a bargain. $40 a day, $15. What, invoice what? What have I been fucking invoiced for? Does anyone want to tell me? $23 on food, $10 on shopping. What did I buy? Magazines. Porn magazines, yeah? But when I was like looking at the file and pretending to be interested, I was actually reading porn magazines because the evidence provided was shit and I got 0 penalty, which means I must have been right. You don't have to listen to everyone in the case, but it might be a good idea. Is that it? Have I gotten away with that shit? That guy was innocent. Just sentenced him to 100 fucking years prison. He goes to bed. Didn't even bother making the fucking thing. Where's my family, for fuck's sake? They've left me because I'm corrupt as fuck. Yeah, I want to sleep. I've been told to go to bed. What do you fucking want from me? Like a child. Shit. Your spouse mentioned that you no longer have time for your family and that this situation is negatively affecting the children. What are your thoughts on this? Well, my thoughts are, the kids and you're never fucking home. You weren't here before I went to work. You weren't here when I got home from work. Fuck off. I'll solve the issue. Okay, we can move on to the... Oh, it's a murder case. That's nice and juicy.
And it's so fucking juicy, I'm ending the video. That's a pain in the arse, isn't it? What kind of prick gets to a murder case and then decides to call it a day? This kind, yeah? Me. Do you see how hard I had to work today? I had to go to work, listen to some people's bullshit, and then make up a sentence. That's fucking draining, you know? And I've got to live with that. That poor bastard, he's doing 100 years. He's never getting out of prison. He's going to die there. That's my fault. I did that. Now, technically, it's his fault for coming in front of the court. All that's left to say today is, thank you for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please take care of yourselves out there, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.